Well, only 2 days since the last update, and yeah, that's a big difference.
Christmas things bad. Well, I'm right.
Also new, the guard railings have been completed, at least for that little section right there. You can see the RMZ crane back there. They actually have track right up next to it. You can't see it, but when you're on Windseeker, you can see the track that's next to it, so they keep the crane there to lift it up into place. So back here on the far turnaround by Grizzly, they just leveled everything. Look at that.